I'm Donna Plaveljanic at Relationships Australia Victoria. Our training provides research and evidence-led high-quality services that includes accredited training.
Trainers were incredibly knowledgeable. They offered a lot of really helpful feedback.
So even before graduating, I was able to feel like I had a way into the industry.
Mediation training.
My experience with learning with RAV was really positive. The trainers were really encouraging, the content was really interesting.
Our customised training and bespoke training is a unique offering at Relationships Australia Victoria.
Well, working with RAV training is a true collaboration. It really is. It's a genuine meeting of specialist skills with industry needs.
We also offer a suite of public training programs which include our online workshops, face-to-face workshops, webinars, self-paced learning, as well as our clinical and non-clinical supervision services. So at RAV, we have your training needs covered.